I have a denied green card application. Can I appeal that decision? I have a denied green card application. Can I appeal that decision? Yes, usually in most times you can appeal that decision if you think that it was made incorrectly. So you can request either a motion to reopen, so basically a motion to reconsider your application, or you can appeal that decision. And that's usually done 30 days after that decision is sent out. We're actually working on some right now for people that hired us after the fact. So not our cases. We've been pretty successful, knock on wood, with our green card applications. But people that want to work with us, they realized they made a mistake, or they realized their application wasn't as strong, and now they've hired our firm to help them with that appeal or consider refiling that application as well. So sometimes it might make sense to appeal your green card application, but other times you might just consider reapplying with better evidence, right? If you're not prohibited from reapplying. In many cases, we have situations, pretty often actually, because we represent a lot of VAWA clients, we have many situations where someone comes to us, they have a green card application pending that they've started already with their spouse, right? And then their spouse becomes abusive, or their spouse was abusive all along, and they got to the point where they're threatening not to go to that green card interview, where they are threatening deportation, using this green card application that's pending, holding it over the spouse's head, right? And manipulating them. So there's so many situations that we see that are like this, where one spouse is kind of using their status in the US to manipulate the other spouse and abuse the other spouse in a sense. So what they do is they can leave that application pending and they can file a self-petition. So this kind of takes the power away from the US citizen or green card holder spouse when they're being abusive. So as long as the marriage is real, that it's not just for immigration purposes, and there's abuse in the marriage, you've lived with this person, right? You might be eligible to kind of take the power away from that person, file your own green card application confidentially without them even knowing or being involved in the process. Of course, we want everything to be truthful and accurate, but you can take the power away. You can essentially become more independent and have control over your own future. In the sense, you don't have to submit to all this abusive behavior and apply for your green card on your own without the help of your spouse. So you can reach us. We do many cases like this. Call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. We can help